Hello everybody and welcome to this tutorial once again, and today in this video we are going to solve these two labs of portswigger.net. So you can see lab 1 contains querying the database type and version on the Oracle, whereas in the lab 2 we have querying the database type and version on the MySQL and Microsoft. So these are the things. So if you can solve lab 1, you can definitely solve lab 2, because solving after having the concept of solving the lab 1, solving lab 2 is not that too hard. So you should pay a bit attention while solving this lab, because it is a bit real life scenarios, because you will not have any idea which type of database is being used in the backend. Sometimes it might be MySQL, or it can be Oracle as well, PostgreSQL, or anything else. So you just need to be aware about solving. So after solving this lab, you can be aware. So here is a little bit cheat sheet by portswigger.net. So this will be useful to us, and basically as we are trying to fetch out the version, so this database version cheat sheet will be more useful to us rather than other, but you can have a look at other cheat sheets as well. So what we are going to do is we're just clicking in access the lab and let it get loaded. Parallelly I have the burpsuite open here. So okay, I can see, and you can also see that there is no much vulnerable parameter here beside this category field. So you can just click on any of the items. So I'll just click on add, I mean to say page, and okay, let me go to burpsuite. So let me reload this, turn on the intercept. So I'll just send it to repeater, turn it off. Okay, let it get reloaded, and I'll just do something here. So firstly we need to fetch out the number of tables or columns present in the database. So we can just do it by just doing order. So I had written the spelling of order wrong, so you can just write order by 1, and let us do the commenting to the rest of the things. So let us see, and sometimes we will get something error like internals or error. So let me click on here. Okay, 0 match, it means we are good to go till now. So I'll just increase this value to 2. Let me see whether I can get something here or not. Okay, now that we know that we have 2 columns, so I will just write 3. Okay, so we are pretty sure that we have 2 columns here. So now what we are going to do is we are going to use union. So union, and then so we are going to use here union. So I've written the union, and then what? So union union, and as we knew that we have 2 columns here, so we'll just write union select, and then firstly we can write null comma null. And previously we knew that it is a Oracle database, so there is a by default table presented in the Oracle database. So we can just, and their table is dual. So I'll just write from. So let me forward this and see whether I can get something here or not. And okay, now let me forward this. Okay, I'm getting everything okay. So let me replace this with some string. Okay, let me write here a. I think except writing hello will be better. Okay, let me see. Okay, now let me do this one. Okay, so by this we are pretty sure that we are using single quote, yeah, and so we can replace our query in place of single quote. So the query for knowing the database version is presented in our cheat sheet. So let me go to our cheat sheet. So we have Oracle database, and our command is definitely gonna be select banner from this one. Okay, so what you can do is you can just use any of the commands. So I'll just write version. You can write banner as well. Okay, so I'll just go and write here version. So version from, and here in place of dual you can just remove it with the thing that we copied previously. So we copied this b instance, and if you have written banner here, then you can just replace that dual with B version. So I'll just send this. Oh, we got an internal server error. So let us see. Mm, so I think writing null here will be better. Will be the better option. So now let me forward this. Again, we've got an internal error. Version from B instance. So let me do this one. Okay, so we have got a bad request warning here, so let me replace this with this. Again, we have got a bad request. Okay, so let us see version from B instance. Okay, let us go there. So now let's write banner from B version. If it is not working, so we can just replace this with this one. So I will again paste it here. So now in place of version, I'll just write banner. Yeah, banner BANNER. Yeah. Yeah. So we have got everything okay. So let us go and see here. Okay, let us just reload this. I think we have our lab solved. Okay, so we have our lab solved. And on the other hand, you can just replace the position of banner and null. Okay, I'd written this banner at the beginning, before null, and you can even write banner, after null, right? You can just replace banner here. What I mean to say is you can just write null and so it will not matter with the position, so you will get 200. Okay, so you can see this is the thing that you will get. So after rendering you can get this thing. So I hope you guys love this. So let us move to the another section. Okay, I think the recording process is going on. Yeah, previously I was recording, but the process was not going on, so it was really a bad moment for me. So you can see, for in this case we have to fetch out the version on MySQL and Microsoft. So I'll just click on access the lab. Here is our cheat sheet, and in Microsoft and MySQL we have the same query. So we can just write select @ version. So as we will write select initially while writing union select and something here. Then in that case we don't need to write this select query second time, so we can just replace it with version only. So let us go to any section here. So let us go to the page section. Okay, so let me open my burpsuite. You can even do it in your browser, but you need to reload it time and again, and that will be a handy job. So I'm just doing it over burpsuite and using the repeater function of the burpsuite. Okay, so now let us know the number of columns present here. So you can just do order by 1. Let us see we will get something here or not. Okay, so we have got an internal server error, so let us replace with this hashtag. Okay, now we have got everything okay. So sometimes this hashtag or this double dash is blocked either in the client side or at the server side. So in that case you get internal server error. So both of them have the same functionality. Either both of them are used to comment the SQL statement or any database, they are used to comment. So I'll just write internal server error so that it will be easier for me next time whenever I will get something. So it means there is the presence of one column, so I'll just write 2 here. Okay, everything is okay. So let me replace it with 3. Yeah, so it means I have 2 columns here. So I'll just write union select null comma null. Okay, let me forward this. Okay, everything is okay till now. So let me replace with any string. Yeah, everything is okay till now. So now we can just replace it with @version. Let me send this. Okay, so we have our lab solved properly. Yeah, we have our lab solved, and in this way you can solve those two labs, and these are quite essential to use. So if you are planning to begin your career in web security, then this will be quite useful for you. So hope you guys love this video, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. And that's all for today. Thank you, bye, take care.